What China needs is we have a lot of great people. All the small business, they are very credible, but we don't have a credit system for that. So how can we using a credit rating system based on the data we have to giving everybody a Sesame rating system? That is so powerful in the past 4 years, because every individual, every small business, if they have been using our services, we give them a rating system. So we're giving loans in the past 5 years. We're giving 5 million business loans. They only borrow $5,000. 3 minutes, we can decide whether we should give you money, how much you want to give. Within 1 second, the money will be in your account. And 0 people touch, so we call it 310. And even today, the Sesame rating system become people dating. The mother-in-law want to say, hey, you want to dating with my daughter? Show me your rating system of the Sesame card. So it's so funny. We go to the, people want to rent a car, people want to rent a bicycle. They will say, show me your Sesame cards. Good. Because if they do not pay back, if they do not fulfill, the rating system is going to low down and they can never rent a house. This is what we want to build up, the system. That if you sell or buy fake products, the Sesame cards, it's not about praising the fake products. I want to say that for so many years, those branded companies, you have to be very careful, because the fake products, their quality improving is scary. That is the difference between us. Because when you find guys, the people said this is fake, and you have to find people, you have to find a third-party institution to check it is fake or not. We find sometimes the quality is better. And I tell you, another thing is even scary. There's one branded company. He said, we are selling fake products. But the second, we are internet companies. We do not have the law enforcement. We find this guy is selling cheap, fake products. We delete them. We cannot arrest them. But we had a huge progress. Last year alone, we put 400 people into jails. We deleted 370 million fake products listing on our site. I would say we are the leaders, and we are using the big data to check who's buying, who's manufacturing, who's selling, what is that address. This is my dream, because I started my first business in 1992 in China as a small business. In order to borrow money, $5,000 from bank, took me 3 months to acquire, still fail. So difficult to be a small business. Today, with the technology, we can empower them. This is something I want to do.
Literally.
We made 125 cities deliver within 1 day last year. Imagine, 10 years ago, deliver one thing from Beijing to Hangzhou takes about 8 days. Now you can deliver things from Beijing to Inner Mongolia, some city, within 12 hours. It's improving. You can never expect these things happen within 24 hours. We have patience. So I think, can you imagine that within the 11/11 Singles Day, we sold $17 billion, and by delivering more than 600 million packages within 3 days. This is happening, and this is what we feel proud of. It's not how much money we make. It's not how powerful we are. We think because of the technology, we can make the technology very inclusive, that every small companies can use it. And because the world can never have one model. If the world has only one correct model, the world is too boring. Right? We need to have all kinds of models. And the people who do the model should believe in the model. And I believe what I do. Right? The difference between Amazon and us. Amazon is more like an empire. Everything they should control themselves, buy and sell. And our philosophy is that we want to be an ecosystem. Our philosophy is to empower others to sell, empower others to service, empower making sure the other people are more powerful than us. Making sure with our technology, our innovation, our partners, our 10 million small business sellers, they can compete with Microsoft, IBM. Our philosophy is that we think using internet technology, we can make every company become Amazon.